Hi everyone, it's Greta from Attention Insight. In this video, I will look at two cosmetic e-commerce websites and compare their performance. One of them is Odelyke, UK cosmetics brand, and the other one is Madara, a Latvian cosmetics brand. On both of the websites, I went to the shop section and chose face moisturizers. Let's look at the Odelyke website. Here we can see a Timeless Rose Moisturizer. On the left-hand side, there is a bottle of the product with its paper packaging, while on the right-hand side, a text. Let's generate a heat map and see what it shows and what the clarity score is. The most viewers' attention goes to the title of the moisturizer and the CTA button on the right-hand side. The clarity score for this page is 64%, which is an optimal clarity and which is considered to have higher clarity than 60% of top Alexa SiteRank websites. Another page we will compare the performance with is for the Deep Moisture Cream on the Madara website. Let's generate a heat map here. The result is similar to the previous website. The areas that get the most viewers' attention are the title, the price, and the free shipping option text. Even though the brand name at the top of the page gets more viewers' attention than the one on the Odelyke website, here the CTA button does not get almost any attention. 57% being the clarity score for the page, it falls to a category of lower clarity than 60% of top Alexa SiteRank websites and is considered to have a moderate difficulty. To conclude, the chosen page on the Odelyke website has got a more visible CTA button and a higher clarity score, which makes it a better designed page in comparison with the page on the website of the other cosmetics brand. Thank you for watching and see you in my next videos.